Here's our tour guide, the owner of Davao. Okay, let's go. Oh, we're just here to visit, okay? We'll see you in a few minutes. So sunny. See, maaga pa, it's too early. It's about 7:10 in the morning. And there's more of the view here. And mga constructions, a lot of constructions being built here. This is the a new housing. Yeah, that's the view for no HOA. Just stay outside cars. Yeah, cars everywhere. And this is how they ride here with the tricycles. And this is how they commute using the tricycles and single cabs. This, look at the view outside, and you can see single motorcycles. There's no more rough road. All the roads are being cemented. People getting ready to work, and people are also being busy. Everybody's busy right here. A lot of cars commuting using tricycles, bicycles. And
oh my
look at that, they're fixing it right now because the
Bakit
wires are
kasama
dropped.
yan?
No, the wires has being...
Natumba.
Oh yeah,
Yung truck ko na disgrasya, tinamaan.
Oh my goodness. Look.
get a little accident
Look at that.
here.
That's
Look
why
at
there's a
that.
lot of traffic.
Accident happened.
This is real.
Wow.
Not for hire.
That's real. That's a real accident right there.
real?
Yeah.
I'm not used to that.
Yeah, you're not used to that one.
I
Well,
know.
maybe they got out. Hopefully
No.
there's nobody.
At bakit sila nag-align up?
Pre-ride, people waiting for
Ayan o,
pre-ride.
inaayos na pala nila.
Inday Sara's pre-ride in Davao. Pre-ride for the bus.
Grabe sa...
So here's
Pero
another view.
Silip, hindi siya masyado naka...
People are commuting using the public vehicle transport. It's too full.
bus kasi yan.
Only
Oh, that
in
guy
the
has a
Philippines, a couch
There's
in
a couch on
top
the
of the
tricycle.
tricycle.
Oh my goodness.
Look at the wires being pulupot. Bicycles in the middle of the road. No right of way.
Two-story house.
Oh, that looks like an old house. Oh, yung kanyang window is kaki.
And Lolit store.
Abandon naman.
And this one here, they're like an apartment complexes.
Yung mga ano kasi,
Oh, this is the National School
Kind of
for Conferences. Oh, what is that?
Marvin B. Lorente.
Mental Comprehensive Standard alone.
Look at the art.
And right here, we're just passing here, going to Bagu, Ushiro. I don't know, Bagu, Ushiro.
Regional Training Center 11. Philippine.
You can use single motorcycle. Look at the
Nakakakyat
traffic here. Too tight. Road is too dry.
Madulas kasi ngayon ba, hindi ito.
Too tight.
Marumihan to.
Cars and tricycles
Hindi, pwede
everywhere.
naman tayo.
Okay, we're approaching the Kambingan. It's a goat place. See? There's a car that came out. Here it is. It's called Harvest Kambingan. So, Kambingan. So, this is the place where we will try their kambing. Okay, we'll be inside.
Merry Christmas, Happy New Year.
Okay, so andito tayo sa may Kambingan, Harvest Kambingan, para mag-try natin ang kanilang kambing. Okay, we're gonna try their goat. So, we're gonna go proceed. Okay, we will be sitting on one of these chairs and table here. It's a little bit hot. And we'll try to see what we have. We can eat outside here. I want this.
Dalawa. Isa.
Ayan, ayan.
Ito, try mo rin. You wanna try this? This one too.
May sabaw.
Okay. Ano pangalan, Ana? Ano sa'yo pangalan? So, this is the adobong kambing. It's kilawin. And this is bakilaw. Okay.
Kapahit isa.
Magkuha ka na. Para ba na?
This is the kinilaw.
So, lagay tayo naman. Hindi, papahit.
Ooh,
Oh, give me that.
sarap.
Ito ate.
Good. Sour.
Anong sabaw
Tsaka
ito?
malambot.
Ano? Saan yung nasabaw gani?
That one, We'll try this. Kinilaw.
ต่อไปหาแต่ละที่ตรงไหน
Huwag yan, huwag yan lang yan. Sinampalukan.
Wow, this fish is really good and fresh and delicious.
Dito na tayo.
So everybody is enjoying the food, including the goat and all the fish that we ordered.
Try the adobong kambing right here. So try natin. Ang natatry ko lang, I always try the adobo, chicken, and pork. But this one is
Ay,
adobo
pwede paano?
kambing. Baka na.
baka ma-over ha ano yung pagkain
It tastes the same as a regular adobo, but this one is a little bit tough on their meat.
Okay, so interesting. They have the small size of Coke Zero. It's size 190 ml. Equivalent to 1 cup. Only in the Philippines.
Alright guys, this is our video for the day, and if you haven't subscribed for our YouTube video, go ahead and subscribe to see more videos like this. Thank you so much, and we'll see you next time.